Oh, howdy everybody, what's going on? This is Tony, and I received my copy of the Netflix DVD for Wii in the mail today, and I thought I'd give you guys a quick little tour of the service so you can see what it looks like running on Wii. I'm going to turn the TV down just a little bit here. When you first get the DVD in the mail, it will when you first put it in, it will give you a code that you need to go online to the Netflix website and activate the service for Wii. It only takes about a minute, and then it will pop up with, if you have an instant queue already, it will pop up on that section, and you can navigate through using either the pointer, if you would like, or you can use the D-pad to move around. And the plus and minus buttons will do a page forward or page backward type deal. And then the cool thing about this one that you can't do on the Xbox version is if you get to the end of the queue and you just want to go back to the beginning, just hit right. It will take you right back to the beginning of your queue so you can get back to the front and do your searches a little bit quicker. And then you'll see up here where it says Instant Queue, if you click on this, you can access your recently watched shows, anything that's new, and then it breaks it up by genres a little bit. And when you point at that, it will show you that you can use the D-pad for this. You do not need the sensor bar or the pointer for any of the navigation in this. You can do it all with the buttons on the controller. And you can access all these different genres of TV and movies. And then here at the end, it'll give you some recommendations based on stuff that you have in your instant queue. I really like Doctor Who. I'm going through all of the seasons of that right now, and I've just finished watching all of Robin Hood and the IT Crowd, all of which are really good. But so because of that, it says I like British movies. So you can click on that, and it will give you kind of an idea of some of the stuff you'd like. And apparently, all I like is kids shows. This is a family account. I have 3 kids. They watch stuff on here all the time. And if you click on stuff like Doctor Who, it'll give you all these different things that you might like to watch. And then, let's see here. I'll go back up to the beginning here. And then you can browse through your instant queue very quickly. It's all very fast, and the interface is very nice. It's very smooth, very simple, which is kind of the hallmark of the Wii. So I'll just click on something here. I'll go back to this, and we'll just pick something so you can see kind of what it's like to access actual TV shows. We'll just watch an episode, a quick episode here of Future Weapons. When you click on one of the TV shows, you have the option to automatically add it to your instant queue. You can play the newest episode that you haven't watched. You can click over here and you can select another episode, and you can see that I've watched part of episode 6 and episode 1 of this season. Any of the episodes of a TV show or a movie that you've watched will show how far you progressed through it the last time you watched it. And then you can access any of the ones that you haven't watched. And just click on that, and then you can add it. You can go to the instant queue automatically. You can select another episode, or you can play. And this is what it looks like whenever you select something. It doesn't take very long to load. I have had absolutely no lag issues with the service. It's never once paused the show to reacquire the internet to change the speed at which it's downloading or streaming the video, and it all looks really good. And then, if you point at the screen, you have the option to scroll through and just find another part of the episode that you want to watch. You can do it with the pointer, or when this is up, you can also use the D-pad to go, I think it's every 10 seconds. This is a 10-second break between each of these frames. The A button pauses, and the A button will start your video again. You see, it doesn't take very long to buffer that section and start playing again.
An assault rifle is what sets the MP7 apart from other small arms. If it
The one button pauses and plays. The two button doesn't do anything.
in modern combat. I have to find out from
The B button will take you back to the menu, and then you have the option to play from the beginning or resume. It's all very easy to use. Adding things to your instant queue is super simple. I recently watched The Guild. Alright, I'll just show you just how quick it is to add something to your instant queue. Just select something, click add, and it is done. You can go back. It will automatically show up now at the end of your instant queue. See, there it is. And then if you want to remove it, you just click like that, and you're done. Like I said, the interface is super simple to use. It's very streamlined. It's not quite as busy as the 360 version, which has all this nice wavy motion that these pieces of cover art fly by at. You know, scrolling through the pages is very quick, very easy. The pointer makes it super easy to access anything on here, and then, you know, if you don't want to use the pointer, you have the option to just point away from the screen, and pushing up or down goes through all those options in the menu. It can all be done with the D-pad and the buttons if you would like. It's, like I said, you know, I think it's going to be very nice for Wii owners that are looking for the ability to use Netflix on their system. If you're not super computer savvy or whatever, it's very easy to find stuff. The only option that I would like to have that you don't have is just the ability to search by title, which you can't even do on any of the other versions of the service except for on the PC. You can use the PC to add things to your instant queue. They show up immediately. If I had my computer up right now, I'd go over there, type something in, add it to the instant queue, and you'd see that it would just instantly show up on your list so that you have access to that. But there you go. That's just a quick little look at Netflix on the Wii. If you don't have a 360 or you want to be able to watch these movies on your TV, this is a very, very good option. It's free if you have a Netflix service already. All you have to do is go onto the website. I think it's www.netflix.com/Wii. Sign up for the disc. They'll send it to you soon. This was for a limited amount of people. They're testing out the service to see exactly if there's going to be any problems when they finally roll it out to everybody. I don't know when that is going to be. They haven't made that announcement yet. But it shouldn't take too long. It's up and running. It's very easy to use. And I think it'll be good. So there you go. That's Netflix on the Wii.